Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup browser cookies responsibly for privacy, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what browser cookies are and their role in your online privacy. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to its settings or preferences menu. Locate the section dedicated to privacy and security. Check for an option that allows you to view or manage cookies. Read through the list of cookies stored by your browser. Identify the cookies you wish to back up. Focus on those from trusted sites or necessary services. Take note of the specific names and values of these cookies. Now, consider using a browser extension or tool designed for cookie management. Download and install a reputable cookie management extension. Follow the extension's instructions to export or back up the selected cookies. Choose a secure location on your device to save the backup file. Ensure that the saved file is encrypted or stored in a protected folder for added security. To restore cookies, return to the Cookie Management extension. Use the import function to upload your previously saved backup file. Verify that the cookies have been successfully restored by checking the respective site. Regularly review your backed up cookies and delete those that are no longer relevant. Stay informed about changes in cookie policies and privacy regulations. Lastly, remember to maintain vigilance and regularly update your backup practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.